You just want to see it and enjoy it with a group of people. There are so many surprises that you will never see coming.
Good girl, baby.
Tense, it's funny, it's emotional, it's sexy. Whoa.
We have a duel at the OK Corral. And Doc Holliday just ran off the pussy. Get back over there and finish it. Finish it.
What they've got.
Yeah. I know, but every time I put that camera down, you get close to them like that, getting on your feet and shit, little bricks. Assholes, they always do that with the cameras away. That shit comes out. Get over there, you two, you. Look at you. Get here. Getting the breeze off underneath the fan. No, they'll be getting the breeze because you're sucking the fan round and feeling that. Look at them. Eyeing up the snacks. Oh, here we go. Yo. Yeah. Goodbye.
Hello. That's that cocoa instead.
Is that a lot under the fan?
Got it. What's going? Cocoa jumped in.
Coco Loren. Coco. That's him under there, Coco. Well, look at her.
The UK has been...
Just jump down, Flash, because I know you gotta do it. I'm ready to take the camera. Let's do it. No, is it over? Hello, baby. Hello.